Welcome to Beautyistic, beauty lovers. If you've been on the lookout for a bold, eye-catching lip color that pushes the boundaries of traditional beauty, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the daring shade Ya Dig, a periwinkle blue that's as vibrant as it is unique. If you're into experimenting with your lip color and want a product that stands out, this might be just what you're looking for. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell icon to keep up with all the latest beauty reviews. Now let's see if this lipstick really lives up to the Fenty hype. So what exactly is the Ya Dig shade all about? This lipstick is a striking periwinkle blue in a plush matte finish, ideal for those who want to make a statement with their lips. Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle lipsticks are known for their smooth application and intense color payoff, and this one is no exception. The formula is designed to glide on smoothly and provide a long-lasting matte finish without drying out the lips. It's not just about the color. This lipstick is also enriched with moisturizing ingredients that help keep your lips comfortable throughout wear. I've tested this out multiple times, and I have to say, the application is easy and smooth. It glides on effortlessly, delivering a rich color with just one swipe. The matte finish is true to its word, no shine, no slip, just that perfect velvet-like feel. Whether you're rocking it for a special event or adding a touch of fun to your everyday look, it definitely stands out. I tried wearing it on different days, from a relaxed brunch to a night out, and it held up surprisingly well. It didn't fade much, even after eating and drinking. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the color payoff is intense and vibrant, and the matte finish is long-lasting. It doesn't feel dry, which is often a problem with matte lipsticks, and the slim stick design makes application easy, especially for precise lines. Plus, we all know Fenty Beauty has a reputation for inclusivity, so it's great to see a shade like this available for those who want to break away from the traditional reds and pinks. However, the boldness of the color might not be for everyone. If you're not into unconventional shades or want something more neutral, this lipstick might feel a bit intimidating. Now for the price. Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle lipsticks are in the mid-range for luxury brands, so you're paying a bit more than drugstore brands. But considering the quality, smooth application, great pigmentation, and long wear, it definitely offers value for money. If you're someone who likes to experiment with bold shades and doesn't mind investing in a quality lipstick, this could be a great addition to your collection. Is this lipstick worth the splurge compared to other matte lipsticks on the market? There are similar shades out there, but Fenty Beauty's formula stands out due to its comfort and pigmentation. You may find matte lipsticks at a lower price, but they may not provide the same intensity or comfort. As for the build quality, the lipstick itself feels solid, and the packaging is sleek and stylish. Definitely the luxury feel you'd expect from Fenty. It's not too bulky, making it easy to carry in your bag, and I love the color-coded packaging that gives you an instant clue to what's inside. The longevity is impressive, but as with any matte lipstick, you might need to touch up after meals if you're going for a full day of wear. Before we wrap this up, I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon if you found this review helpful. Your support keeps me creating honest reviews like this, and if you're already thinking about grabbing this lipstick, the link's down in the comments for you to check out. Now let's talk customer support. Fenty Beauty has a strong reputation for customer service, and if you've ever had a question or an issue with one of their products, you can rest assured they're responsive and easy to deal with. Looking for a cheaper alternative? You might find similar bold matte lipsticks from brands like NYX or Maybelline, but they won't quite match the same luxe formula and pigmentation as Fenty. However, if you're looking for something with a comparable finish and affordability, those might be worth checking out. So, what's the final verdict on Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Ya Dig? If you're looking to add a pop of bold, vibrant color to your lipstick collection and aren't afraid to experiment with unconventional shades, this one's definitely for you. The formula is comfortable, the color payoff is unmatched, and Fenty Beauty continues to deliver on both quality and inclusivity. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this lipstick or are thinking about it, Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest beauty reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.